In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix can't install QuickTV app on Play Store. So if you're not being able to install this application, first try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, you should be able to install it. Likewise, also try checking the storage. Make sure to free up the storage by uninstalling other apps so that you'll be able to install this application. But still, if you're not being able to install it, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the Play Store. For that, launch Open App Library on your device, find the application for Play Store and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option Storage and Cache. Now tap on this option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the Play Store. For that, launch Open Play Store on your device. You can see over here it has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, simply scroll down and tap on this option Settings. Now you'll be led to the Settings interface. Tap on this option About. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for Play Store version. Tap on this option Update Play Store that you can see on the screen. Now after it is updated, try installing the QuickTV and it should be installed. If your application is still not being installed, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. For that, long press on the power button. Now tap on the option Restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But still, if you're not being able to install it, what you can do is simply try installing it from the browser. For that, launch Open any browser of your choice. Now tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply search for QuickTV. You'll be able to see the results over here. Scroll down and find the link provided by the Google Play. Tap on it. Now what you have to do is tap on the install option. Now it should be installed. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix can't install QuickTV app on Play Store. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.